I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a pair of MOBIUZ gaming monitors from BenQ. I reviewed the MOBIUZ EX3210U monitor a few weeks back. This time it's the MOBIUZ EX2510S and MOBIUZ EX2710S. These versions are still part of the MOBIUZ family with gaming optimized features like a 165Hz refresh rate, anti-glare, and AMD FreeSync Premium support. But they're more affordable with 1080p resolution instead of 4K, smaller display panels at 24.5 inches and 27 inches, and no RGB lighting effects. Both monitors are identical to set up. They literally just have different sized display panels, so I'll just show the process for one. It's very straightforward and no tools are required. When complete, you end up with a very capable and flexible stand. It can tilt 25 degrees, swivel 40 degrees, and it can be easily raised and lowered. With this kind of flexibility, you can be sure to get the ideal viewing position. Connectivity is a pair of HDMI 2.0 ports and DisplayPort 1.2. I would have liked to see USB-C, but you can't have everything. BenQ says the monitors support 1080p gaming on both the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 at 120 Hz. You'll have to excuse the cables and piles of stuff, but I don't have many places where I could set these up side by side to show their comparative size. 27 inches is my preferred size for a desktop monitor, but the 24.5-inch MOBIUZ EX2510S is a nice option if you're short on space. As you can see, they're both bright enough to show a picture nicely, despite being in front of a window in daylight. There are extensive picture customization modes for gamers, but I wanted to show BenQ's HDRI setting button. You can see the difference this setting makes in the image just by cycling through options, offering a quick upgrade without having to drill deeply into menus. These monitors are also equipped with BenQ's Trevolo audio. In this case, it's a pair of 2.5 watt speakers. Nice to have if you don't have a sound system to plug into and don't want to wear headphones, but these ones don't have the integrated subwoofer of the MOBIUZ EX3210U. Gaming on the MOBIUZ EX2510S and MOBIUZ EX2710S is a solid experience. The displays are treated for anti-glare. They have a 1 millisecond MPRT time, refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium support, HDR10 and HDRI, and 99% sRGB color coverage. Plus a huge number of on-screen customizations, including a light tuner, scenario mapping, user-controllable color temperature, and a first-person shooter mode. These monitors are also eye-friendly for extended sessions with TUV certification for being flicker-free and low blue light emissions. HDMI and DVI cables are included in the box. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming monitor for your console or PC, but you don't need 4K support, the BenQ MOBIUZ EX2510S and MOBIUZ EX2710S are a great way to get an immersive gaming experience on a modest budget. You'll find a full range of gaming monitors from all the top brands, including BenQ, at Best Buy. To learn more about the BenQ MOBIUZ EX2510S and MOBIUZ EX2710S, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.